All right, from your data set, let's find out the good actors and the bad actors in terms of 3 most popular shoes sold and 3 least popular shoes sold. And to complete the statistics, we'll find the 3 most expensive shoes in store. So starting off with 3 most popular shoes sold, this is the formula that you need to use. The first argument on the filter is the whole data set. The red ones are the quantity sold, and I'm using the function called large. Number 5 here pertains to column E. -1 means descending order. Let's hit enter, and there you go. This is the most popular shoe sold on the store. Let's do it the top 3 least popular shoe, and this is the formula that you use. As you can see, I'm using the function called small here, so that I can get the least popular. And number 5 means column 5 as in E, and I'm using +1 here to indicate ascending order. So I'm gonna hit enter here, and you can see this is the least shoe sold on my data set. And to top it off, we'll do the top 3 most expensive shoe in store. And there you have it, the 3 tables here. So let's do a quick analysis on what this table does from this 3 simple formula. You can see that the most expensive shoe, this one here, is one of the least sold shoe in my table here. You can see mainly because maybe the price is too high, so management might want to revisit the price point for this product here. And from this first table here on top here, you can see that it shows that the price point of $100 here for a shoe could be an optimal price point for many clients. So it's something to take a note of.